Hi, if everything is okay, you have seen the previous video, the introduction video, and you know what I am going to show you next is the embeddings. It's really simple to create your own embedding file so your chatbot can get the context out of your own documents. I will show you how this works, and it will only take a couple of minutes to do this. So what we did is I will show you is create this little simple CSV file with some information about Futopia. These are some 30 something rows with information, and what we will do is upload this so you can use them or it as a source. So first we go here to this embeddings upload source file menu item. I will create or upload my CSV file. I exported that in Google Sheets, and I can show you how you can do that. It's download and then comma separated values. Save your file, then you can use it to upload here. I will give it a reference name, Futo info, so I know what this is about. I will click upload file, and as you can see, that took like a millisecond. Now my file is uploaded. You can see it is right here. There is no usable ID yet, and that is because I still have to prepare the file and vectorize it. Well, prepare the file, that means that you actually make a usable format out of it. We will check it in the backend and split it into several sections if it's too large, but in this case this file was perfect. So I click prepare, and as you can see, that also only took a couple of, well, milliseconds, I guess. So now it's finished 100%, and now I can start vectorizing it. I will click this vectorize button, and as you can see, it is going pretty fast. Sometimes it will time out, because if your file is too large, you won't be able to do it in one run, but then you can just click the vectorize again. It will show the percentage that it's at, and you can just continue where you left off. So that's not a big issue. At this point, you can download the whole batch as a zip file if you want to use it elsewhere. These are vectorized files, your embedding file and your source file. Those are all in one zip file. You can also click delete, of course, if you want to just delete it and start over or do something else. As you can see, there is a usable ID right now. If I click this, you will see it will copy my ID for later use. I will show you in a future video what the use of this actually is, but this is how you can create your embedding file. I will show you in another video how you can actually start using this source file in a chat, and I will show you a quick preview of that right now. You can go to this live chat playground, and as you can see, there are 3 files now of which I can choose, and one of these is base Futo info and the ID. If I select this one, you can see this is the source file right now, and if I click on this, I can start asking questions about my source file. We can actually ask one question to see if it all works out fine, and let's hope it actually does, of course. Here you can see, how does Futopia advertise and market itself? It's just the question I get from this CSV file that we uploaded, and here is the answer. And let's go back to this chat window, ask the question, how does Futopia advertise? Click enter, and if all goes well, it will use the CSV file context to answer the question, and let's verify if this is actually the case. It will always take a few seconds to get it from OpenAI. Okay, Futopia advertises through various methods, including attending industry network events using online marketing platforms like Google Ads and Meta platforms. Okay, and as you can see, it is exactly what it's mentioned right here. So that works perfect. It only took a couple of seconds, and if you want to use it on your own website, straight from here, you can click the live chat widget and just put this one single line of code on your page. It is automatically selecting the Futo info ID right now. You can of course change that if you want to put this snippet on different sections of your website, but for now we just can copy paste onto your website and you are good to go. So that only took, well, less than 5 minutes, I guess. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please, as always, let me know.